Kpcutie back with another vlog. It's Vlogmas day 13, and today it's like pretty much a chill day. Today's like nothing really started. I got finished editing videos, which was the other video for you guys going out probably yesterday, and yeah, today I'm going to show you guys what I do on a daily basis. Right now I just did clothes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cook for everyone in the house so they can have some food in their bellies. It's gonna be good because I'm making a stew, a veggie stew, because I've been wanting a veggie stew, and we made a veggie stew like last time and it was really good. But I'm gonna add some little noodles into this, so like I'm gonna make it creamy and good. You're gonna love it. So yeah, before we end this video, I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell to notify I post a video. Go to follow all my social pages, link down in the description box below. You can go follow him on my linktree because it's also down there. Where you can go ahead and find me on all my social media pages at once, right there. So go ahead, follow me there. You probably came from all over there. So hi to everyone. Hi to newbies. Hi to my newbies, and hi to my currents, and hi to my #1 fans and stuff. But yeah, let's get into this video. Peace. Don't mind my hair. My hair's crazy right now. I'm not too bothered about it. I'm at home. But yeah, even though you're at home, you guys look cute for yourself. So yeah, but I don't feel like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting. Right now, I'm gonna probably do the vegetables first. So let's go.
Let it snow.
Yeah. make sure instead of throwing your scraps away in the trash, cuties, put it in a bowl and then go ahead and dig a hole in your backyard, and that's gonna be your compost area. Or let's say you have your own little garden and you start to grow your own plants. These are great to do composting for your plants to help grow and give them nourishment, because it's all it does is like circle back around and give all the nutrients that once was in these back to the plant, so that your next plant has like a bunch of nutrients, fresh food, instead of having that pre-made soil that you don't know what's gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? We got some gingerbread houses, so we're gonna definitely do this. And I'm so excited to do the gingerbread houses because we haven't done them in a while. For like I think last Christmas Eve, last Christmas or the one before that. It was so fun making the gingerbread bands, but this time it's different. We're making gingerbread, not only the reindeer and sleigh, but the house too. So I'm so excited. Can't wait to make them, but mostly to eat them because we usually just come back to you and eat them all the way.
So was I, and I've dreamed of it ever since. Now I've built up my confidence. The very next time you come my way, I know just what to say. Can we talk for a minute? I want to know. Can we talk for a minute?
Yeah, it's just your dog ate my other one. Jump it off. Okay. I'm coming. Now stir it.
Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name.
Guys, I am back. I have finished making the soup, which I got this recipe from here on Pinterest. And yeah, I finished that making soup, so now I have to go ahead and make sure my videos has been scheduled and have been released. So yeah, waiting for the load. So this video has been released, everything's there, everything's up to parts, thumbnail's good, playlist is there. Make sure the comments are turned on, it's on, and it's been gone. So yeah, I just finished doing that, just ate my soup, so now I'm going downstairs with my family, go chill out and hang out with them. Probably might record a little bit of it because we're watching Siren. I've been putting you guys on great movies and TV shows to watch, because each one of them was banging until we Walking Dead. But I'm so happy, like so happy that I find out that guess what? They're coming out with not only one, but not only two, but 3 spin-offs. Oh, I'm so happy. I am so happy. Like, come on, like who is not like ready for that? Like everyone was so sad, like okay, this is gonna be it. But when they got brought back Rick and Michelle, oh, I was living. Cause like I did not think they was gonna come back. But Mom said, she's like, yeah, they gonna come back. They have to bring them back. Like I don't think so. And I'm like, are you sure? And she's like, yeah, I know. And they came back, and I was so sad. And not only did they came back, but they're coming back in the spin-off too. I'm excited. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and chill out with them. I probably just gonna record it. If not, I might put the phone charging and stuff. But yeah, see ya.
Talk for a minute. Girl, I want to know your name. And it's all because I'm working on my energy. Cleaning up, I'm sparkling. Manifest, I write it down, you know it's happening. Working on my dream life. Yeah, my bank account be real fine. Got my skincare, yeah, I glow shine. You can see me from the moon. From the moon, yeah. How you been wasting your time? Yeah, you worry about the way I've been running this vibe. Only interested in doing the things that I like. And the things I like of me. Cause last year was a mess, but I'm growing up. Thanking God that I'm so blessed. Yeah, you show me love. So girl, don't cheat yourself on this. Get your glow up. And it's all because I'm working on my end. Cleaning up, I'm taking care of myself and me.
Okay, kids, we got out back. We're back and rejuvenated and healthy and feeling hydrated and stuff for our skin after I did my perfume too and stuff. And I'm wearing my pajamas. I changed my outfit from the other pajamas. I went with the my onesie, and it feels very soft on my skin. Feel hat. My feet feel much better. I got myself a pedicure and manicure. So yeah, I might also do like my nails in the next video because I need to get my nails done. I should have my nails done like today, but I didn't do. I just took it all off. But anyways, yeah, for next vlog, we probably might do a girl sit down chit chat. So I'm gonna sit down with my sister and talk. We'll probably also do like a gingerbread house vlog this too. Stay tuned for my channel for that. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close the video because I feel like yeah, guys get the drift, get my flow. You know what I mean? But yeah, doing the garden stuff, especially doing like that, because it's different every single time I do it. Last time I just play music and just sing to it. This time I sing to music, but also have my little cranberry juice, and I'm like so happy, feel good, and rejuvenating. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and close the video. So that's this video, kids. So hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. And also hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. And also go follow my social media pages. Link down in the description box below where my link tree is right there. So you can go ahead and go and follow my channels. All my social media pages, like from my Instagram to my TikTok and my Twitter and my YouTube, all right there. Link down in the description box below. And yeah, that's this video, kids. I hope you guys enjoy and see you guys next one. Bye, kids. Cutie out.